In the last section, we installed and set up WordPress. We added the right theme, downloaded WooCommerce, and even added the dummy data. Now it is time to get down with exploring the general settings of WooCommerce. This section, we will go over all of the settings in depth, and this video is just an overview of what's to come. If we navigate to our dashboard and hover over the WooCommerce, you'll see settings pop out. Let's click that. And now we're presented with the base location settings, and this is the first page of the settings. This is where your store is located, and it is also used for shipping plugins and taxes. Selling locations allow you to pick and choose which countries to sell to. For now, I've just got the UK there, but I also want to add France. So what I do is, we come to this box and type in France. As you can see, France is there. So using the drop down, we select the country, and that's who we can sell to. Good. The next setting that we're going to use is the default customer location. I personally always use Geolocate, but there are other options. The default customer location is used when someone visits your site and when they haven't logged in. They haven't visited the store, cart, or checkout, so your site doesn't know where they're from. Geolocation is the best way for your site to know where your visitors are located. Checks are made against the user's IP address, against the database of known IP addresses, as to guess where the user is located. Using geolocation helps with the automation of calculating taxes for users on checkout. The European Union has several laws of including taxes of the products in the price you see online, whereas in the States there are different taxes for different states, and their products generally say the product price and tax amount. You can go to this website for a bit more in-depth information on taxes. This will tell you all about taxes. The next setting is the store notice. For example, if you want to give your customers 10% off of all items, you can add a code here. So if I just check the box, and as you can see it's got some demo text in, I can just change this to say something like 10% all weekend. And if I save it, if I visit my store, let's open that in a new tab, I should be able to see the site-wide notice. And there we go. What I did forget to do was add a coupon code. So this could be good for if you're planning some maintenance, something's sold out, you want to give 10% off to your customers for the weekend. You can just do it here and then it can be dismissed. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to uncheck that and save my changes. Okay, so currency options is next. And again, as I'm in the UK, I've set it up for sterling. In this section, you are able to configure the type of currency, currency position, thousand separator, decimal separator, and number of decimals. Again, I just tend to leave this alone, as during the WooCommerce wizard video, I've set this up already. You will need to adjust these settings for your location. So as you can see, there's all different types of currency here, and you can have the symbol to the right, and you can change these settings here.